Nifty wavers amid global and domestic catalysts, bulls await Fed's easing signal. Gift Nifty wavers in early action. The 7 catalysts this Friday morning. 1. S&P 500 hits 5,500 mark for the first time. 2. The Swiss National Bank lowered interest rates by 25 bps for a second straight meeting, intensifying its divergence against the Federal Reserve, which are taking a more cautious approach. 3. All bullish eyes on the commencement of the Fed's easing cycle. 4. The CME Group's FedWatch tool now indicates a nearly 65% probability of lower interest rates by 18 September meeting. 5. Nifty IT index could be in limelight after Accenture stock climbed 6% in overnight trade on backdrop of its earnings, which showed strong demand for its AI offerings. That said, Accenture again lowered its revenue forecast for FY24, citing economic uncertainties. 6. This week, FIIs have been net buyers to the tune of Rs. 10,893 crore. 7. WTI crude oil prices rose to over $81 per barrel, the highest in 7 weeks, fueled by a larger than anticipated drop in US crude stocks. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 416 crores, while DIIs were net sellers to the tune of Rs 326 crores respectively. Sentiments for the day is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought technical conditions. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,700 to 24,000 zone. India VIX has cooled further towards 13.34 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th June, is at 1.17 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 26th June, is at 1.21. Nifty outlook: Nifty may waver in an up and down session. Nifty, CMP to 3567. Key support on Nifty is placed only at 23,257 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 23,664 mark. Range for the day is between 23,400 and 23650. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 51783. Interweek support is placed at 50,771 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 52,100 mark. Range for the day is between 51,305 to 300. Bias for the day is positive. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty bounced back sharply from the day's low to end the day on a positive note. Fertilizer shares outshine on reports of proposal to remove GST on fertilizers and optimism over MSP hike. The stock price of MapMyIndia surged 20% to their record high as the street is betting big after the homegrown navigation company has over 80% market share in automotive OEM navigation software. Also, the corporate and government markets, which are trying to digitize land records and new infra projects, signal a meaningful growth opportunity for MapMyIndia. As part of pre-budget consultations, asset managers urge FM Nirmala Sitharaman to hike STT on high-frequency F&O trades over 1,000 crore rupees to protect retail investors from excessive speculation and losses. All bullish eyes on FM Nirmala Sitharaman's 7th consecutive union budget, which shall trickle probably in second half of July.